Do not compromise the health and safety of your family.
Hello everyone, this is Goge and welcome to my weekend project at home. With the recent water interruption and restoration, many of us are very angry and frustrated with the brownish water running through our taps and sometimes with a slight discomfort odor. If you have an outdoor water filter system installed, that means that you are safe. Unfortunately, the dirty muddy water will also cause the filter system to exhaust quickly. That means it is time for you to change your filter cartridge. To understand more about an outdoor water filter system, let me give you a simple briefing using the system installed at my home. This is the water inlet directly from water supply, and this is the water outlet after the water filtration system to supply clean water into my home. This is a 1-inch ball valve to control the water flow within the system. I have a pre-filter installed here with a filtration capacity up to 50 microns. This is a water pressure gauge, and this is our main filter, 3M AP902 Whole House Filtration. Very small and compact with a measuring size of 58 cm in height, 10 cm in diameter, 1-inch inlet and 1-inch outlet with a filtration capacity down to 5 microns. Besides being small and compact, one of the additional features, it is easy maintenance and no backwash required. Not forgetting this one, this is a bypass channel. In the event that there's any faulty with the filtration system, we are still able to provide or supply the water directly from the water source into our home. Before we change the filter cartridge, it is important to set the water filtration system into maintenance mode by turning off a certain ball valve. And if you require to use the water immediately, you can turn on the bypass mode. To uninstall the filter cartridge, push the safety pin to the right, push it up, and hold the cartridge and turn it in a clockwise position.
Would you be interested to know what type of water you and your family will be drinking without installing an outdoor water filter system? Do not compromise the health and safety of your family.
This is 3M Aqua Pure AP910-R, the replacement cartridge for my 3M AP902 Whole House Filtrations. Now to install back the replacement cartridge. Turn the cartridge anti-clockwise. Safety lock. Turn it anti-clockwise. until you hear the click. Next, switch the maintenance mode to function mode by turning on the ball valve. You can see that the water pressure is rising up. Hi! Look at this. I've just done replacing the filter cartridge for my outdoor water filter system. Very easy and just have to follow the instructions provided. Now, how about you? Are you going to do so? Please do not hesitate, as it is very important for us to provide a better drinking quality water to our family. So I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye!